Okay, so you've probably seen it by now, right? Like it's all over my feeds at
Yeah, I think
least.
so too.
These pictures, they look like they're straight out of like a Studio Ghibli film.
Yeah, exactly. It's crazy. Like all my friends are posting them. Pets too.
It's called the ChatGPT Ghibli trend or something,
I
right?
think so, yeah.
But like how does it even work? Like what is this sorcery? That's what we're looking at today.
Exactly. We're going deep on all that Ghibli stuff and why everyone seems to love it so much.
So it's basically about making your photos look like those classic Ghibli movies.
That's the heart of it, yeah.
Mhm.
You take like any photo and boom, it's got that Ghibli look and feel. Like, My Neighbor Totoro or Princess Mononoke.
I was thinking more Spirited Away. You know, all those dreamy backgrounds and characters.
Yeah, exactly. It's about capturing that hand-drawn style that Ghibli's famous for.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. But how's it actually happening? What's the tech behind it?
Well, this is the really cool part. It all comes from OpenAI.
Yeah.
They just dropped this huge update with their new GPT-4o model.
GPT-4.
GPT-4, yeah. And this model, it can do some pretty incredible things with images.
Yeah.
Like way beyond anything we've seen before.
Whoa, it's not like just some filter or something.
No. It's way more than that. It's like the AI understands Ghibli art on some deep level.
Yeah.
It's not just slapping on a look. It's like it's actually learned the Ghibli language.
So how does it do that?
Well, they trained it on this massive data set of Ghibli artwork,
Yeah.
like a ton of images, right? And through that training, the AI picked up on all those visual cues that make Ghibli so unique,
So like what kinds of cues?
like everything.
Yep.
The soft color palettes, the distinctive line work, the way light and shadow work, it's all in there. And then it takes your photo and recreates it using all those elements it learned.
I see. So when this first came out, it wasn't available to everyone, right?
Yeah, you're right. When it first launched, it was kind of locked behind the paywall. Only OpenAI subscribers could really use it. And now, they've opened it up to free users too.
Whoa, so now anyone can just Ghiblify all their pics.
Pretty much. Though there are probably some limitations for free users, like maybe how often you can use it or how fast it processes the images.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
But the main thing is it's available. And honestly, the speed is kind of mind-blowing. Like you upload a picture and boom, Ghibli magic.
Right. And that speed is, it's a big part of why this is blown up online. It shows how powerful and efficient this AI model is. You don't need any special skills or software. It's all right there in ChatGPT. Super easy to use.
Yeah, it's everywhere online. So what does this whole thing tell us about AI? I mean, everyone's using it to make art now.
It shows how fast AI is evolving creatively.
Yeah.
It's not just about realistic images anymore. AI can actually understand and recreate specific artistic styles. It's like democratizing art.
Interesting. So anyone can be an artist now.
In a way, yeah. And that opens up so many possibilities. Like, how will people use AI for art in the future? What kind of crazy cool stuff will they create?
Lots to think about. All right, so to quickly recap, this whole ChatGPT Ghibli trend is exploding because of OpenAI's new GPT-4o model.
Yep.
This model can transform your personal photos into amazing Ghibli-style images that look hand-drawn.
And it's super accessible now.
Right. Initially, it was just for paid users, but now more people can get in on the fun, even with some limits for free users.
And the fact that it combines personal photos with this universally loved art style, that's huge. That's why everyone's going crazy for it.
It's definitely got people talking. And that brings us to our final thought for today.
Hit us with it.
So with this kind of AI art generation now in everyone's hands, what do you think the future holds? Like, how do you see people using it for their own creative projects and stories?
I don't know. It's exciting to think about, though, right?
It really is. All right, thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of ChatGPT Ghibli.
Anytime.
And for all you listeners out there, keep creating and we'll catch you in the next deep dive.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more detail, you can visit our blog website www.evergreentechtips.com.